I shouldn't even talk about it, but one of the reasons why I have so much respect for Alkaline, I'm going to talk about it a lot of times, but I'm not going to say it now. And one of the reasons why Foota will always be the evil bastard in the country, you know what music.
Him say me come in, and me just start, hey, what the devil boy you doing here? What the devil boy you doing here? Hey, come out of the yard, where? In the same conversation. Him say him no member if Alkaline I did do already or not. So how me could I call Alkaline devil boy and them something that if him I never do. Skatta, you have to rehearse your lie them, brother.
Well, every day me go harder, me go harder. Swagah inna the place and me a hold me record. Every day me go harder, me go harder. Swagah inna the place and me a hold me record.
Welcome to Foota TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Foota TV, another man of peace. I'm always at the violence of the streets, living love and unity and strength. Share the food, share the joy, share the moment. Yes, I say all of the good attributes about life are the right way, though. Yes, man, big up everybody on the platform, you know, who not checking, who are passed through, who, you know what I mean, who's a family, a member, a fan. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Then, in this episode, we have Skatta Burrell. Did an interview on the Fix right after Freedom Street, addressing the local mishap altercation that happened on stage with him, Popcorn and Chronic Law. I hope it can be resolved, but it doesn't look so. You see, and he also mentioned something about Foota Hype, when he fight blighted Alkaline, fight Alkaline, when he went to Downsound Studio, and about a week or a month after, Alkaline found the mega hit and went out there. And who is Alkaline now? He's the man, boss, baby boss. You see me as well,
every day me go harder, me go harder. Swagah inna the place and me a hold me record. Every day me go harder, me go harder. Swagah inna the place and me a hold me record.
yeah, man, we also have Foota Hype clap back and I explain, you know what I mean? Is it why him did do that? And also ninjaman name mentioned, Foota said it wasn't him alone who spoke to Alkaline, him a ninjaman, you see me? Yes, man. So I can hear what I want to leave on the feedback in the comment section. But I might interject now and then. I know my style already. So yeah, man. Big up Foota, big up Skatta. But the music business is not easy. Enough artists get blackball fight out, you know. Yeah, but respect Alkaline, because Alkaline right now, that's why I see the youth so humble and stay far from people, because when them go through, you see me, who feels it knows. But before that, my viewers and subscribers, the song they want to say, chip in and chip out more to go check out the artist. Please and thanks. Just give him a listening ears. He goes by the name of King Swagah and the song name Harder. Zin? Yes, man. This vlog is sponsored by King Swagah Entertainment.
Every day me go hard for me haters, me enemy them. And when me say me nah want no new friend, me know me act clean and me nah fi pretend. When me tell them, hey.
Yes, man. That is King Swagah making a know say him have to stay up and above his enemies and the fake friends at all times. He must go hard, because enough of them want to slow him down. You see me? Yes, man. Peace more the track.
The enemies that try to stop me, but them can't block me. Guided and protected by the Almighty. My name is Elvis Paisley, born in St. Mary. Real Jamaican, I'm a Friday baby.
Yeah, man. Shout out to the whole St. Mary people. I'm in a Clanmel district. Yes, man.
Stamina in me body from me mommy and daddy. Hold on there. Father God tell me if you read Psalms 91 and Psalms 23. Circle around the earth and just prosperity.
Alright, that is King Swagah. People go check him out on Instagram. There. Yes, now moving on to Skatta Burrell. You Skatta Burrell, I say no.
I shouldn't even talk about it, but one of the reasons why I have so much respect for Alkaline, I'm going to talk about it a lot of times, but I'm not going to say it now. And one of the reasons why Foota will always be the evil bastard in the country. You know what I mean? Was it?
Yes, so Skatta was conducting this interview with the Fix to talk about the issue that went down with him and Popcorn and Chronic Law. But he mentioned Foota Hype because, you know, Foota is giving his view on the situation, and I said Popcorn and Skatta them vex over woman, which is Aisha and Cecile, long time feelings that carry. So that's why Skatta bring up Foota name, you see me?
One of the reasons I remember, right? Like, I was at Downsound in probably 2013.
Yeah.
I'm not sure the date, but probably 2030. And Alkaline was just about to break through. I think him probably did, I don't know if he did just tattoo him eye or something.
Right.
But You know yet? Me not sure. But him just coming and down. Maybe he never do that. He never do. But him just forward in and down.
Yes, man, Alkaline did the design 2013 and he had to do that to get the acknowledgement because them time nobody now pay him the notice and you know, him do that and it worked. And in 2016 he took them out. You see me? And as an artist, me can tell them it's not easy because enough people not believe in your friends, families, producers, promoters. Them not believe till them see you make it and go through, you know? Yes, man. So that's what Alkaline did still.
Yeah.
But Alkaline far down and down so.
Yeah.
Because him a look at opportunity. See?
Yeah.
And him stand up in one corner and I think him and another person forward and him dead there for a couple of hours as well. But him a stand up. Back against the wall and just stand up stairs. So I'm not really talk. So him dead there and every now and then we go check upon him and you don't know what we're going to do. But him dead there. All our vibes.
So Alkaline was at Downsound trying to get a breakthrough acknowledgement, but it never worked.
Foota coming drawing big foot in him slippers. I see Alkaline. What you do ya? What the devil boy you doing at the bumbuckler yard? Wow. Hey pussy, we don't want you around here. Leave out of this bumbuckler.
Who would have said that?
And Foota stand up and cuss the man for about 20-30 minutes straight.
Oh God.
That's crazy.
Straight.
Yo, if this is what Skatta is saying is true, what Foota said to Alkaline, we would have feel embarrassed, Jano.
He just a cuss the man and a dog the youth, a dog him.
Oh God.
Until look like the youth just say him can't take no more and him just fix him shades and just take time walk go out of the yard. And I tell you it's about a month after that the youth find one of the biggest songs and him thing goes
Every Galaton a devil.
No, one of the song them.
One of the songs.
The man thing just take off. About a month after. Swear no bro.
Yes, man, the same stone where the builder refused become the head cornerstone, you know?
I mean, I say, you can't try to hold down youth because the youth show up, you know, and try to look at opportunity for himself. There's a difference between a police, the music, and a try to hold down a youth, you know, because the youth a suffer and him a try to find fame and him come and seek a opportunity. Him now come there and try cause no problem, him a try to come be an artist.
Yes, man, that is gatekeeping, you know. And you know, Foota is a part of the gatekeeping business. And Foota said to them more to say, big up Foota. Yeah, man.
You can't see them
As I said a while ago, you know, like the music needs some policing, but you can't try to hold down people.
You can't hold down youth.
For real.
You see me?
Yeah.
And when I see the youth, me never see it. I see it. When them tell me what go on and the youth hold down him head and just walk out.
Jano, you see, that's why earlier on in the vlog, me say, if this is true what Skatta is saying, if Skatta saying no, him never see. But earlier on, him say him see Foota walking in him slippers, and drag the slippers in a big foot. No, him say him never did it. All this sounds so. Cha-cha, I hear say Foota, Skatta go after.
I'm sorry, me never even get there. If you say, yo, no man, right, forward. You understand me? It's one of them days that me did probably do something. And me, when me hear I go on and said, oh, you just take for himself, humble and not say nothing. And then weeks after that, the man thing shot. So me I say, yo, some man are just pussy.
Hey, the one Ari love laugh, you see. But when we get from this, Skatta just always saying this now to get back at Foota, for try to expose Foota. You know what I mean? And Alkaline fans them for run at Foota. But something did up went down, but that Skatta say him see, and then he say him never see when Foota diss him. But I hear some go off. Maybe it happened for true, you know, because Foota said it happened. See me? But at that time, Skatta wasn't there. Maybe Skatta was there at that time when Alkaline was there hanging out, trying to get a look in, you know. But at the time when Foota was addressing Alkaline, Zine, Skatta wasn't there. So Skatta go for a year, say. You see me? Yeah.
Some man just make for me the pussy hole in our business.
That's your job.
Where everybody, everything, every flowers
Like protagonists and villains.
Yeah, you see every flowers where spring up, them want to chew a pies upon it, them not want water.
Right.
Some man just make that way there.
Yes, Skatta, you're exactly right. You know, because me hear man pan phone that talks to them, nah boss me because me I go rich. I'm a family, them I go rich. You see me? But that. But anyway, if you want to listen to the whole interview from The Fix, just go with The Fix page. See? Big up Aria Naro. So I say, anyway, Foota clap back, hear what Foota has to say.
Make we get into the reality of it now. Zine? Make we get into the reality of it. 2013, man, listen what him say now. Him say Alkaline forward a Downsound. I try get a bus kind they are suffering. Him say Alkaline dead for hours. Zine? Him say him go check for Alkaline, make sure him alright, make sure everything good. See? That him say no.
Yes, Foota, that's Skatta say for true, man. You see me? But it come like say when him attack, he might say to himself, say, no, so me I tell a lie. Me go try correct a local way, you know?
Remember the words. Then him say, me walking in the yard, I draw my slippers with my big foot. Me never see a slippers a draw itself yet. So, you have to draw your slippers with your foot. Him say me come in, and me just start, hey, where the devil boy you doing here? Where the devil boy you doing here? Hey, come out of the yard, where? In the same conversation, him say him no remember if Alkaline I did do already or not. So how me could have call Alkaline devil boy and them something that if him I never do. Skatta, you have to rehearse your lie them, brother. Then at the end of the thing, 3 more people for things say he's such a good guy. Hear him. Me never did see, no, swear, me never did see. But when them tell me, you just take Alkaline out there for hours and you got check on him and make sure him good and him something there.
Yes, man, Alkaline got it several days, man, but at the time when Foota addressed Alkaline, Skatta wasn't there. It was going off Skatta here were going, you see me?
So, oh no, you say you never did out there, you never see a ear, your ear. So you see me walking with my big foot a jaw, my slippers and all of that. Rehearse your lie them, brother. When you go tell a lie them, rehearse your lie them. You can't get up and tell lies up because you want to swing with the people and go call everybody a beat you. Say you violate cartel and you violate popcorn. You want to use Foota Hype and Alkaline for dive. Nothing when me did say to Alkaline that day there. Me no regret, me no take back, me no apologize for. Because everything when me did say to Alkaline that day there, it still stands today.
Yeah, so here Foota Hype confirming that he did confronted Alkaline and said whatever he said to him. It's just that Skatta wasn't there. I
don't know, me alone they talk to Alkaline, and me and Ninjaman did talk to Alkaline. That time I carbon them I manage Alkaline. The brown spreckle face youth were in the band.
General, Ninjaman and Gagan did that name mentioned too. So Skatta no mention Ninjaman name. Jano, if you hear about Foota Hype, most you say Ninjaman did a page youth too.
Alkaline just say 2 words. Alkaline say scene. And then him listen to one next part and him say scene. So, me not understand how you know add say Ninjaman did tell Alkaline the same thing when me I tell him. Cause you want it look like, okay, Foota is a evil villain. And he's a liar villain.
John, me I tell you, the man them fight out a young youth, you know, you see who's Alkaline now? Alkaline is a the man now. You see me? And Skatta still respect Ninjaman, but him not respect Foota. That's why I'm not mentioning Ninjaman name.
People, all me that tell Alkaline say, bro, that image the way I work with is a devil image. The black eye something there. And me I say to Alkaline, say, brother.
People, who no believe Foota or Skatta? Let me know in the comment section below.
Look on this. You alone have in the eye. Okay. Me say you boss now. I have 10,000 pitney with the eye there in our venue. You just come up on the stage and look on 10,000 pitney with a black eye there. And see what effect it gonna have. Because it's strength in numbers. Me say energy is real. And if you push that energy there, it gonna take on to the pitney them and it gonna bring a negative vibration. And them think they empower the devil and the evilness them we are going about the place.
That sound like something where Foota would have said because Foota has been saying that up to now. He said just Spice Jada Kingdom, the whole of them, you know? The influence, you see. But we don't know if him say it that way or how Skatta or so him say it and run with Alkaline. Me don't know.
And I said to him, say, if you are going to sign around here, me I go quit. As long as you have in them eye. If them sign around here, me I quit. Me never say them nothing sign Alkaline. You know? Me say if them sign you with the eye, me never say them nothing sign Alkaline. You know? But with the eye, me now work with it. Okay? Simple mathematics.
Yes, man. So when we get from this, you know, them never did go work with Alkaline anyway because Foota Hype was a dominant force in Downsound at the time and Ninjaman. So anything where them say and them page the youth and the youth take away himself. You see me? Me would do the same thing like Alkaline. Me would do the same thing too.
And Ninjaman did fully agree with me. See? And me and Ninjaman tell him the same thing. And none of that make him left. We don't talk to him and him dead all long. Stand up and reason till him and him manager cut. So why them never sign him? Me never stop them from signing him. Would have just left. And me still stand on that what me I said today. And if Alkaline did believe the I thing so much, him would take it out.
Alkaline don't believe in the I thing. Him just do it, forget him, draw the attention and get the breakthrough, and it work. You see me, enough other artists trust, dry stunt and it work. Some of them don't work, but you see me, at the end of the day, they go in a Downsound and him never get the acknowledgement. You know, he was run away, you know what I mean? Yes, man. But viewers and subscribers, if you want to listen to the full vlog, you know, you don't know, big up on yourself. Let me know the thing in the comment section below. Big up Alkaline. You do it, youth. You do it. That's why we say Alkaline. And them alone style Alkaline, you know, enough other people style Alkaline. I never believe in him. And who's Alkaline today? Alkaline is the man himself. You know, boss every boss, done for every done. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. I'm out. Not another word to I'm out.